All right. Unfortunately, uh, but you got the first assignment already, right?
One question. What will be then? I stopped there and the class ended.
But you wrote the
But
first
the
one.
first one, yeah, the first one is what will be
Great.
the impact
So the
on.
second one, I'm not going to write it, but I will tell you. It's the same thing. So what will be the impact on equilibrium price and quantity if demand increases and supply increases as well? So meaning that the last one, there will both demand and supply curve will shift.
What will be the impact?
Sorry?
Repeat again. Repeat.
What will be the impact on equilibrium price if demand and supply both increases? That's the last one.
If
So what will be the impact on equilibrium price and quantity if both demand and supply increases? If both demand and supply increase, rather.
equilibrium price and
The last
quantity. If
one,
both
what will be the impact on equilibrium price and quantity if both demand and supply increase?
Mr. Ture,
Yes.
are we going to illustrate it in a graphic way?
Yes,
In a
graph is always, economics is all about graph.
okay, okay.
So
So
tell me,
we are going to type everything, then send it to you through your email or what?
no, 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 no. Just put it with your writing pen and have it there. I will find it. I will
snap,
tell you how you
snap.
will submit it.
We can snap it.
But just do it with a paper and what a pencil, something like that. Just have it. Write uh, your student
Name and
number and
and
yeah,
name.
and have it in handy. I will get back to you how you will submit it.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
let's not type it, please. Just write. I want to see your pen's ink.
okay.
So
Before next Friday,
let's you know let's just make so before let's try before next Friday, something like that. The goal here is for you people to have the intuition, the knowledge, something like that. But let's try
Okay,
before next Friday. It's just two questions. You draw the graph just like as I did before and after to make the analysis more interesting and nice and neat.
okay, okay.
Uh, uh, the class should end by 7:30, but we will stop here and you can have some time. But please, let's go back and read. You cannot pass the course without not reading what I shared with you. And if you don't understand anything, you can get back to me.
Okay. And congratulations for the appointment of your boss, Let me congratulate you. I talked to him some minutes ago.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Thank you very much. And
My sister is married to his younger brother.
okay, our new governor.
Yes.
Okay.
No, your former governor,
Okay,
the
the
minister now.
Bakari Jame.
Yes.
You must know the Sayo Jame then.
Yes, I know the whole family.
I was in the same class with Sayo Newsfred.
Madam
Ah,
Government.
And where Bakari studied is exactly where I studied, Istanbul University.
ah,
Yeah.
my
Anyway,
okay, okay.
so we bring this class to an end, and please let's try to read and the goal here is to go with something, some economics knowledge, something like that. And
We want to have A plus, all of us.
yeah, if you work for it, no problem. In as
We
much
work
as
for it, but you need to assist us.
no,
You know
in
we are
as
not professional in economics.
some of you might want to go and do masters. I don't know what's your plan, but I want you to hate me now. When you go and do your masters, you call me and say thank you.
You are our friend. We will not hate you.
No, it's like it's the goal is here to prepare you when you want to do further studies. That's the goal. So, but hopefully with hard work from you and, combined with lectures and guidance, I'm sure everyone will leave here with knowledge as well as with good grades. But the effort should come from also from you as well.
That's right.
Okay, Mr. Jame, talk to you
I'm Miss Kokuri.
okay. Talk to you soon.
All right, you guys have a nice weekend.
You too. Have a nice
Okay,
weekend.
thank you.
All right, bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay.
And also, please send the recording.
Yeah,
Let
I
me
will
catch
do
up.
that today or tomorrow.
Hello.
Inshallah.
All right,
All right, thanks.
bye bye.
Jay, how are you?